morning students. Today I am teach you chapter 1 number system. It is your third video. Today I teach you one new topic, that is comparison of numbers. Comparison of numbers. Comparison of numbers. Comparisons of numbers. First comparisons of numbers means which number is bigger, which one is smaller, which number is bigger, which one is smaller. So first you see here three signs. When you do comparison any numbers, then these three signs are important for you. First sign, greater than. This sign is greater than. Greater than. This sign is less than. This sign is equal to. Equal to. These three signs are important when you any two numbers do comparison. Then first sign is greater than, second sign is less than, and third sign is equal to. So today, how do you find which number is greater and which one is smaller? This topic I teach you next. One thing keep in your mind, always more digit number is greater than less digit number. Less digit number. Here is given always more digit number is greater than less digit number. It means if this side 7, 4, 9, 6, 4 digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, and this side 2, 7, 6. It means in this side 4 digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, and in this side 1, 2, 3. So this type condition always more digit numbers. It means this side more digit 1, 2, 3, 4. In this side 3 digit 1, 2, 3. So this one is always greater. More one example you see here. Here is I am write 1000. 1000. It means 4 digit number 1, 2, 3, 4. In this side 999. 999. So again you see same example, same type. 1, 2, 3. In this side it means this side 3 digit number and this side 4 digit number. So if I will ask you which one is greater number, then your answer is 4 digit number, because it is the first rule. Keep in your mind, always more digit numbers is greater than less digit number. Second, you understood this one. More one trick if this side 2, 7, 9, 5 and this side if same digit number, it means this side 4 digit number and this side also 4 digit number 2, 7, 8 and 6. Both sides are equal digit number. In this side 1, 2, 3, 4. In this side also 1, 2, 3, 4 digit number. Then how do you identify which one is greater and which one is smaller? So you see first left side number. It means this side right side number. It is also right side number. But you comparison both numbers left side digit. It means first this 2 to you comparison this 2, and in this side also 2 equal number. Again 7 to you comparison, these are also equal number. It is 7, it is also 7. Next third number is here 9 and this side 8. So you see here 9 is greater than 8. 9 is greater than 8. So this number is greater. So this number is greater. It means greater 2795 than 2786. Again One example, see here, 3, 2, 4, 5. In this side also 3, 2, 4, 6. Again both side equal number. This side 3, 2, 4, 5, 4 digit number. This side also 3, 2, 4, 6, 4 digit number. Then you again see here which one is greater number. Again same process. This time I teach you this question. That time this question also you see. First left place is what? 3. First left place is 3 and here is also 3. It means both numbers are equal numbers. Both numbers are equal numbers. 3 after number you jump, it is 2 and here is also 2. It means again this one and this 2 both are same number. Next number you jump, it means 4. Here is 4, here is also 4. It means both 3 places are same. Both 3 places are same. Both numbers. So last number is 5. Last number is 5 here and in this side last number is 6. So which one is greater? 3245, 3246. It means greater number that side, 3246. So here you put which sign, greater or less than? Less than. Less than sign you put here. It means this sign you put here because 3245 is less than 3246. This type these questions are completed. Now I will solve some question related to greater than, smaller than and less equal to. See here one question. Put the sign greater than, less than or equal. Here is 4, 5, 4, 5, 2, 7, 3, 9, 8, 6, 9, 1, 9, 1. These are 3 examples here. See you put the sign greater than, less than or equal. It means 45 here is both 2 digit numbers. But when you do comparison, the left side see here is 4, here is 2. It means 45 is greater than 27. 45 is greater than 27. So you put the sign this type. 45 is greater than 27. Because its left side number is 4 greater than 2. So you don't see next number because first number is greater than opposite side's number, then it is greater. So 45 is greater than 27. Second question 39, in this side opposite side is 86. But you same process to comparison here. In this place left number is 3 and opposite side number, first left side number is 8. So which one is greater? Exactly this one is greater. 86 is greater than 39. So you put here sign 39 smaller than 86. 39 smaller than 86. 39 is smaller than 86. So you put here a smaller sign. Again, here is both side number are equal. It means here is 91, here is 91. So you put both sides equal number. Both sides equal number. This type you comparison which one is greater, which one is smaller and which one is equal numbers. Today I teach you some more question number 2, that is circle the greater number. Circle the greater number. Circle the greater number. Great, greater, greatest. Already we know when we change the degree, then great, greater, greatest. But here is I will write one question, circle the greater number. It means only for comparison 2 numbers. So here number A 4, 7, 5 and 4, 7, 6. You comparison circle the greater number. Greater, it means here is only for two number. So 475, here is 476. If you are any problem to this type comparing which one is greater, then you see left number is both side left number 4 equal 7, 7, 7, and this one is 5 and this one is 6. Then which number is greater? That number is greater. So you do circle 476. It is greater number. More example 1, 2, 9, 1. In this side 3, 9, 0. 3, 9, 0. Again you do comparison. Left side number to see here 2, here is 3. It means which one is greater? That number is greater. Again you do circle that time 390. I think everybody is understood which one is greater, which one is smaller, which one is equal. How do you identify? If you are not understand, then again one time I am telling to you, comparison of numbers, keep in your mind always left side number to you do check. Left side number to you do check which one is greater and which one is smaller. Thanks.